Here at STIHL, we're really proud of the amount of research and development that goes into our products, and it's certainly paid off with our comprehensive range of premium mowers for professional use. First, we have our 7 Series range of mowers, which includes the RM756GS, the RM756YC and an RM756GC. The 7 Series models have durable, robust designs to tackle the toughest grass cutting jobs. The RM756GS version features a solid handlebar, while the GC and YC versions have the mono handlebar for easy emptying of a grass catcher bag. The RM756GS and GC versions come with a 3-speed gearbox, while the YC comes with hydrostatic drive. The deck housing on these models is made from high quality magnesium to keep it durable but light, whilst the full-size polymer deck insert gives additional impact protection. All 7 Series mowers have 3-litre fuel tanks for long running times and a reliable and powerful Kawasaki engine. They also have 80-litre grass catcher bags, which are made from tough fabric to make it easy to see when the grass catcher bag is full, whilst allowing excellent airflow to ensure the bag is filled right to the brim. Low vibration figures for these mowers mean they can be used in comfort for a full working day. The STIHL RM655RS is another one of our pro mowers, but this one features a durable metal rear roller to deliver a quality striping effect on any lawn. The body design allows for easy access and maintenance of working parts such as drive cables, pulleys and the drive belt, whilst the optimised rear deflector flap works perfectly with a monocomfort handlebar, improving access to the grass catcher box and making emptying much easier. STIHL's best technology comes standard on these mowers. High lift blades give excellent cut and collection even in the wet, and all of these models have our blade brake clutch technology, so you can stop the blade but keep the engine running while emptying the grass catcher bag or for moving between mowing areas. Finally, in the professional range, there's the RM4 RTP, a manoeuvrable and efficient petrol mulching mower with 1-speed front-wheel drive, a powerful low-emission engine and 53 cm cutting width. It's ideal for areas up to 2,500 square metres. To get the best performance from your STIHL petrol lawnmower, why not try our fuel that's been specifically designed for small 4-stroke engines, Motor 4 Plus. Motor 4 Plus has almost no olefins or aromatic compounds, which means the air you breathe is much cleaner when you're using your lawnmower, and it's better for the engine too. It's also ethanol free, so it stays fresher for longer, making it much easier to start your machine after long periods of downtime. Whatever area of grass you need to cut, and whatever type of job, whether it be mulching, striping or cut and collecting, there's a STIHL mower to suit you. With a 1-year warranty for professional use, STIHL mowers are a choice you can rely on.